Hello guys, now we are going to see the types of programming languages. Before going to programming languages, I would like to comment on the contacts and coils. For normally open contact, here we have the four states. If the contacts are closed, then this normally open contact will get true and would pass the flow. If it's open, then it would not pass the flow, and if it is forced on, we would have this true logic, and if it is forced off, then we would be having off logic. Now normally closed contacts. So normally closed contacts, if the contacts are open, it's false, and if the contacts are closed, then it's true. Similarly, if it's forced on, then it's false, and if it's forced off, then it will be true. For output coils, if the coil is energized, then it would be true, gray, and if it is de-energized, then it would be open. Similarly, if it is forced on and forced off condition. So these 12 conditions are very important to understand uh, for better programming. So here we have two normally open contacts and a output coil. So this coil will get energized only when both these contacts get closed. The contacts, if the contacts would close, then these normally open contacts will get closed and would energize this output coil instruction. This is the network 1, or in ladder logic we call it rung. So this is rung number 1, and this is rung number 2. This is OR logic on I 0.4 and 0.5, and this is the second coil. So here, if we have now we commonly use three types of programming languages: statement list, functional block diagram, and ladder logic. So mostly for electrical engineers, ladder logic is easy to work on, and in DCS we and safety instrumented system, we frequently use FBD, function block diagram, and STL would be useful for computer engineers. It is more suitable. So if we are going to program the this network in STL, we would write as LD I 0.10 and A for AND I 0.1 equals to Q 0.0. So uh, this statement would be equal to this rung in ladder logic. Similarly, for network 2, we would be having OR. And this is how we program in STL. For FBD, we have functional blocks, like we have AND gate block. So we would assign two inputs here, discrete inputs, and get discrete output here. Similarly, for network 2, we would assign OR block and two inputs there, and we get one output here. In ladder logic, we simply program it like this. So this is how we program in three different languages. So thank you very much for listening.